Hey guys, you remember ever thinking as you're growing up, as you learn new things, like, damn, I wish my mom taught me this when I was younger? That's how I feel about vitamin C serum, because vitamin C is super, super important. I'm gonna talk to you today about Elizabeth Arden vitamin C serum capsules, and you can see this is what they look like. Vitamin C is important, number one, because you don't get vitamin C unless you intake it. Like, you know how like if you sit in the sun, you will get vitamin D, you'll create your own vitamin D. Vitamin C is something that is so, so important in building collagen and elastin in your skin. It's also gonna help with like preventing uneven skin tone and skin spots. You know, so if you've ever wanted that like glowing skin, that luminous glow, well, this bad boy right here, this is the key to getting that. The way that you use this product is it comes in one capsule for the face. So you're gonna open this capsule just like I am. And you just twist it twice. And once that will leave it open, I'm gonna put it in my hand. You can see it starts to like squirt all over the place. Then you just apply it on your face. And I like to dot it all over my face and on my neck and just really just massage it into my skin. Guys, like one capsule is more than enough for like your entire face or even times two. So look at how much I have left. I love the Elizabeth Arden vitamin C serum capsules because they just feels very light, and add it to your regimen because it's something that I think every woman and man should be using. So hope you enjoyed my review of the Elizabeth Arden vitamin C serum. You can check it out on my Macy's store using the link below. See you guys later.